Oh, hi. Hi, Weenie Birdie. Yeah, hi. Yes. I love you. Oh, Weenie Birdie. Oh. Yeah, he's a cutie pie. Yeah, that's my Phoenix. That's my Weenie Birdie. Yeah. What you doing? Oh, silly birdie. He's too cute. He's gonna be a cutie pie. Oh, you're silly. You're silly. Yeah. Oh. Here, maybe I'll go on my hand. Come on. No. He was. Well, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? You're a silly birdie. Yeah, he just crawls around his cage and all around, and he was retrieving a peanut. Yeah. I should probably change his water. Hi. I hope that was good. Haha, this little rocks he likes to toss around. It's so cute. I'll try and post a video, but yeah.